Hello everyone. My name is Andy. Today is Tuesday, September 26th. Time is around 4:45 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Oanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and my take on the DAX is that we made a wave 1 high here and that we are currently doing a wave 2 correction. If you want to have more details on this, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis. So I believe the corrective move is unfolding as a WXY pattern, and then the area that is really important is this one here. This is our target. If we take the length of our wave W, the length of our wave X, then we know that our wave Y should end between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. Now, actually, we already have enough for the wave Y to be finished. Like we took out the wave W, and also here we have more or less a complete structure, I would say. So until yesterday, I had also a WXY here as my secondary scenario. But as expected or as forecasted by the primary scenario, this became here 5 waves. We made another low, and so therefore I took off the secondary scenario, and now we are only looking here at the primary scenario, which is that we had a wave A here, then a flat structure as an A, B, C, and then a wave C down here, which is currently happening. Now we are in the area from where we can expect that a wave C can reverse. So if we take the length of the wave A, the length of the wave B, then we know that the wave C should end here between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. So we are in an area from where we can reverse. So that could mean that the correction is over here. However, it looks like I always prefer to assume that we will reach these areas. Otherwise, your assumption becomes that you will always make like short wave wise or short corrective moves, and actually most of the time we are reaching these areas. So if we have to reach this area, like maybe it can happen like through an extended wave C, because like here on the 4 hour we still do not really see divergence. We see it on the 1 hour. I will show you in a minute, but on the 4 hour we still do not have our divergence. So it could be that we see further downside here as a wave C. That's one possibility to get there. Or a second possibility is that we are doing a WXY pattern as a wave Y. Then it would look like so ABC as a wave W, then a wave X up to correct, and then a wave Y down to finish this wave Y in the higher degree. So I will wait for today. I would like to have a bit more data before I put the scenarios on my charts to exactly see how or what. But so this is what could play out. more downside as a wave C, some kind of extended wave C, or a WXY pattern going into this area. That's also a possibility. Now, if we look at this wave C here, like I told you, we do not really have the divergence for now. So that could be an indication that we see more downside. Now, on the 1 hour, we have our 5 swings actually. So this could be enough. Like we have a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. So clearly 5 swings. And we have divergence here between this fifth wave and this third wave, as you can see. So this is the third wave, this is the fifth wave. RSI reading in the fifth wave is higher than in the third wave. So that could mean that we start to reverse from here, like we are at this wave C area, but also here on the 1 hour we are at an potential area from where we can reverse. If we take the length of the wave 1, the length of the wave 2, then we are here at the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. So again, normally from this kind of areas, we get reaction to the upside. Now, suppose that, so we have our wave 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's have a look here at this final structure in the 15 minutes. So here in the 15 minutes, like if this has to be our wave, if this has to be our wave 5 here, then I would say this is the 1, this is the 2, and then, yeah. Then actually it looks better to have our 3 here and this or 4, and that we probably make another low as a fifth wave. Like if we look here at the internals of this wave 3, so we also need 5 waves in the wave 3, then I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is then the end of wave 3, and then we can have here our wave 4. So I would not exclude another low here before we start to reverse. Now, if we have, so this is this is the scenario where I assume that the wave C will end here. This is also my primary scenario. I would say my main expectation. Now, if we have this kind of like extended impulse here, that's a bit hard to predict these extended impulses because they just happen. Like going long here after making a new low is would be an okay trade for me. However, the danger is that, or what you should know is, like, you are trading against the direction. Like we are doing this correction. Like we are clearly going down, and actually, this here in the this area here is like, for me, a safe area to go long. This is yeah, this is actually not safe enough in my opinion, although I'm expecting a reaction to the upside. Like, we can still have this extended wave C here. This is a better area to go long in my opinion, because this is the equal leg area of the corrective move here in the 4 hour. While yeah, this here is less reliable. Like, we can have the WXY and then we should have a push up, but we can as well have the like the extended wave C, and then this is just a 1, a 2, and like this wave 3 here is like extending, and then in the wave 3 this can be the 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, then the 4 and the 5 in the higher degree. So this is how we can achieve this area, especially having no divergence yet on the 4 hour. Might be a warning that that this extended impulse can play out. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.